Bonjour et bienvenue. So in this video we will discuss the homophones. In French it is to be pronounced as les homophones. Les homophones. S will not be pronounced and there is a linking of the vowel and the consonant S and H, S and H. So that's why the pronunciation is les homophones. Les homophones. In English, the homophones. So what are homophones? Homo refers to same and phone refers to sound. So those words or those terms which are having the different spelling but have the same sound or the same pronunciation. So these words are termed as homophones even in English. So in this video we will discuss some such homophones in French which have the different spelling but are having the same sound or the same, can say, pronunciation. So let's begin with the first set of words, first category of words which are termed as homophones is may. May, M-A-I-S, may. May refers to but. Now, but, B-U-T, but. It's a conjunction. May. Now the second word having the different spelling but the same sound, it's may, M-E-S, may. May is l'adjective possessive, which means possessive adjective referring to my in the plural form. So you have to use this my in the plural form if the noun is in the plural. Suppose if you have to say my books, so mes livres, mes livres. If the thing is being possessed is in the plural, so you have to use may refers to my, mes livres. If you have to say my houses, mes maisons, mes maisons. Here we are using may as the noun or as the object being possessed is in the plural form. Maison, houses, mes maison. So may. Now the third word having the same sound, May, M-A-I, May. May refers to the month of May. May. Now the fourth term, the fourth word having the same sound again but the different spelling, may. Here M-E-T-S and M-E-T, may. These two words are the conjugation of the maître verb. Maître means to put, maître verb. So here the conjugation, je mets, tu mets, il met, elle met. So this is having the same sound, may. That's why these are termed as homophones. Now look at the second category or the second set of words is say, C-E-S, say. So it is l'adjective demonstrative. It's a demonstrative adjective referring to these or those. If you have to say these books, ces livres, like that. Now, the another word having different spelling but the same pronunciation, say, S-E-S, say. So it is also l'adjective possessive, which means possessive adjective, referring to his or her in the plural form. So again, if you are using, means if you are like possessing a thing which is in the plural form, referring to his or her, you have to use this say, like livre. So books in the plural form, ses livres, his or her books, his or her books. Now the next you can take, it's not the proper word, it's a term, say, C-E-S-T, say. Say refers to this is. How you can use in a sentence? Suppose if you have to say this is a book, c'est un livre, c'est un livre. Some more words having the same sound, say, it's S-A-I-S and S-A-I-T, say. Say, these two words are the conjugation of the verb savoir, which means to know, savoir. So here the conjugation goes, je sais, tu sais, il sait, elle sait. I know, you know, he knows, she knows. Say. Okay, say. So these are the words having the pronunciation say. Now move on to the next set of words having having the pronunciation where, where. So the first word is where, V-E-R-S. Second is V-E-R-T, where, where refers to the green color, where. And the third one is where, V-E-R-R-E, where is refers to glass, where. So V-E-R-R-E is glass, where, and the second term V-E-R-T, where, is the green color, refers to the masculine nouns, means those nouns which are masculine in gender, we will use that green color with that noun. Suppose if you have to say the book is green, so book is masculine in French, so you have to say le livre est vert, le livre est vert, where. Now look at the meaning of the first word, where, V-E-R-S, where. Where has like 2-3 meanings. So the first meaning is where refers to verse or a line of a verse. Verse means you can say a poetry. So verse or a line of a verse or a poetry or a line of a poetry. Where, where. Now where can be used if you are referring to a direction, like towards, towards. Suppose if you are trying to say towards this road, you can use where. Suppose in in a poetic form, if you are trying to say the day is moving towards the evening, moving towards the evening, you can say vers le soir, vers le soir, vers le soir. Now, if you are referring to time, suppose if you are trying to say around 5 o'clock or around 6 o'clock of the evening, so even in English we use around when the time is not confirmed. It is not fixed that it is exact 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. So even in English we use around with the time if it is not fixed, if it is not confirmed. So in French we will use where for the words around or about. So suppose if we have to say it is around 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock of the evening, il est vers 5 heures ou 6 heures du soir. Il est vers 5 heures ou 6 heures du soir. So it is around 5 o'clock. So around refers to, that means it is not exact 5 o'clock or it is not exact 6 o'clock of the evening. Means the another translation you can use for about 5 o'clock, you can say approx. So if you are referring to something about approx, you can use this word where. So we have these 3 terms, where, having the same pronunciation, where. Now the next set of words we can take, sur, sur. It's a preposition referring to on, sur. And the next is sur, means accent circumflex over the letter U, sur. It's an adjective, so it can be used in the feminine form. So we means if we are referring to feminine word, then we have to use means additional E at the end of the word sur, referring to sure, sure. So the word sur without the accent is a preposition referring to on. Suppose if you have to say the book is on the table, le livre est sur la table, le livre est sur la table, sur. Now the next word having the same sound, sur, sur. Suppose if you have to say I am sure about this, j'en suis sûr, j'en suis sûr. So I have to use an E since I'm saying j'en suis sûr. You have to use it according to the gender of the noun. It's an adjective. So I'm sure about this. So the O in between is referring to what we are saying about this, about an idea, about an opinion, and so on. J'en suis sûr. J'en suis sûr. Now the next set of words is, first we can take is près, près. So près followed by the, près. It's a preposition which refers to near to or close to. Près de. Notice we are using there is an accent which means the grave accent or the accent over the letter E. So that's why we have a sound près de, near to or close to. Second word is près. Here again, the difference of the accent. Here in the second word we are using l'accent circumflex. Près. Près refers to ready and it's an adjective. So if it is referring to feminine, we have to use E. And then when we use E, the sound differs and it will become prête. So here we are referring to only homophones. So près. How you will use a preposition near to, close to? If you have to say my school is near to my home, you can say mon école est près de ma maison. Mon école est près de ma maison. Mon école est près de ma maison. My school is near to my home. Now if you have to use as an adjective, près, here the spelling differs. Suppose he is ready to leave. He is ready to start. Il est prêt à partir. Il est prêt à partir. Partir refers to leave. Il est prêt à partir. Il est prêt à partir. We are using the masculine form. Il est prêt à partir. Now another set of words. Où. Où refers to where. Sorry. Où without an accent refers to or. The book or the notebook. Le livre ou le cahier. Le livre ou le cahier. The book or the notebook. But if we are using this spelling with an accent, ou means the accent over the letter U, then the sound then the meaning differs. Ou refers to where. Où refers to where, having the same sound. Où. Suppose, où habitez-vous? Where do you live? Où habitez-vous? So the first word without the accent refers to or, and the second one with an accent having the same sound refers to where. So where do you live? Où habitez-vous? Now the another set of word we can take is la. La is the definite article used with the feminine nouns. Suppose if you have to say the rubber, la gomme. If you have to say the lady, la femme. But if you are using with an accent, this is spelling with an accent la. It refers to the direction. There. So here and there. Ici et là. Ici refers to here and la refers to there. Ici et là. Now the another set of words. Mur refers to wall. In Hindi we can say diwar. Mur. Now the same spelling exit, but the difference in the accent, l'accent circumflex. Mur. It's an adjective. So again we have, if we are referring to the feminine noun, we have to use the E in the end. Mur, having the same sound. Mur, referring to ripe or mature. Ripe can be referred to fruits, like in Hindi what we can say, like paka hua. Mur, so we have to say the ripe banana. So banana is feminine, so we have to use the feminine form of an adjective. La banane mûre. So the first without an accent, mûre, is a vowel, and with an accent, l'accent circumflex, is an adjective referring to ripe or mature. Now the next set of words you can take is la poa. P-O-I-D-S. La poa. Poa referring to weight. Weight means to gain or to lose weight, like that. La poa, which means weight. Now the next means the different spelling we can take is la poa. P-O-I-S. La poa, referring to it's a kind of vegetable. The pea, P-E-A, pea. It's in Hindi we can say matar. So the first word P-O-I-D-S, poa, poa, the poa. It's referring to weight, W-E-I-G-H-T, weight. And the second word poa, P-O-I-S, poa, referring to a pea. It's a kind of a vegetable, pea. Now the next set of word is son, S-A-N-S, son. Son is again a preposition, son meaning without, without, son, son. Another word you can take, sang, la sang, S-A-N-G, sang. Sang refers to blood, sang. Now the third word you can take having the same sound or the pronunciation but the spelling differs, cent, C-E-N-T, cent. Cent refers to number 100. So cent, cent, cent. So S-A-N-S, cent, referring to without, then it's S-A-N-G, sang, referring to blood, then C-E-N-T, sang, referring to the number 100. Now the last but not the least is la tente, T-E-N-T-E, la tente. Tente refers to a tent, la tente. Now the another word, a slight difference in the spelling, la tante, T-A-N-T-E, la tante, referring to aunt, A-U-N-T, aunt. So tante, tante. So in this video, I have selected some few French homophones which are most commonly used in this language. If some more words are coming in your mind, though it's a very long list, if some words are coming in your mind which have the same sound or the pronunciation but the different spelling, that means these are homophones. Please write to me in the comment section, of course in French. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, so please do share it with French language learners and do subscribe this channel as well. So hope to meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Au revoir.